What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, check out the Patreon and the Discord. I also share all my real-time buy and sell alerts in my Discord, and also doing 3 days of live trading, guys. Check out the Patreon link. I'll leave it down in the description. And now let's dive right into Tesla, guys, which is up on Friday 1.12%. And once again, Tesla stock holding the support 120 and now got up to 123.118 at the closing. Now going into Tuesday, when the market opens, we have strong support here on Tesla, exactly at 120, and below that also at 118 because of this blue line, 5 SMA sitting at 118. Tesla stock gets under 118, we could see a flush all the way back down to 110 to 108 where we held before, and then possibly going even lower to make a new 52-week low. Now this is still just a dead cat bounce, and this dead cat right here can bounce possibly a bit higher. If we can hold 120 as a support, we're going to see 125 to 130 all the way up to 135.86 going into next week, and that is possible. Only Tesla stock can hold the support 118, 120, blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. Below that, we're coming back down to 110, which is a critical support here on the stock. And now we're going to look at Apple. On Apple stock, we're kind of flat on Friday. And if you look at my screen, a lot of resistance at 130. So far, 2-3 days of trading, we cannot get that breakout above 130. We have strong support at 125 and then down to 123, and to the upside we have strong resistance at 130, and only if that breaks we're going to see Apple heading higher, and this is still gonna be a dead cat bounce all the way up to 133 and then 135. Only time this thing will look bullish if we can get above 145, and that holds as a support. We're going to see Apple heading even higher. On Microsoft, we're actually down 0.5% on Friday, and if you look at my screen, Microsoft came all the way back down to 236.66, but at the end we found some buyers, went back up, holding 238.21, blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart as a support, and also closing under 240. So going into Tuesday, Microsoft can hold 238.21 as a support. We could see a move and a breakout above 240. Then in the short term, we could possibly see Microsoft heading higher all the way up to 243.37 to even 245.19, retesting white line 20 SMA, and above that even 250 is possible. To the downside, soon as we break 238.21, we're coming all the way back down to 232, and don't forget about this massive gap down here which won't get filled until we get down to 228 here on Microsoft. So there is more downside. If this thing stays under 238, Microsoft going even lower, and above 240, more upside, possibly up to even 250. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, we're actually absolutely flat on Friday. And if you look at my screen, guys, this is crazy here on Meta. We're just in this shop box, trading in between 112 and 124. And looks like going into early as Tuesday, we could see Meta going back up to 124. And if that breaks, possibly we'll fill this gap up here at 128. And then we will see Meta coming back down once again to fill these gaps down here. Now, above 118 right here, white line 20 SMA, definitely we could see a move back up to 124. Below 118, we have strong support down here at 113, 112, and soon as the stock gives up 112, we're coming back down to at least fill this gap down here at $98. And now we're going to look at Amazon. And out of all these stocks, as of right now, if we talk about going long term and what to buy as of right now, guys, Amazon, great discount. I mean, look at this thing, down to $80 almost. So Amazon is a great deal. Yes, Tesla can come down a bit more. Microsoft can definitely come down way more than Amazon, and also Apple stock can come down. Google, I would say it's still a decent entry right here on Google as of right now, but Amazon absolutely still at this level, buying at 80. Yes, we could see downside. Nobody can say where the market will bottom, but you can tell that Amazon here, if you go back and look at some longer time frame, like here, guys, I mean, look at this. Absolute bottom here on the stock would be around 65 to 80, and this stock is sitting at that zone right now. So this is a great entry. I mean, look at this upside. At some point, Amazon were actually not too long ago, guys, 188.65. So definitely this thing can double. And if there is a deal down to 65, even I'm going to buy some more shares of Amazon. And if you go back here on this daily chart, it's still making new 52-week lows, but it's not coming down that much. I mean, look at this slow move from 95 down to 81.69. It took almost 2-3 weeks, slowly coming down, trying to recover, but market is not helping. So going into Tuesday, watch critical support at 80. We also have support at 83.92, blue line 5 SMA, and if that holds, Amazon can run higher all the way up to 87.56 to even $90. Critical support down here 83.92, and below that flat $80, also possible here on Amazon to the downside, and that would be downside price target for Amazon, and that would be a new 52-week low also. If we cannot get that breakout above 90, I think we're going to hit $80 at some point here on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Google stock. On Google stock, we're also down 0.25% on the day, and if you look at my screen, this is also a great deal if you're going long term. Just like I was saying with Amazon, I mean, look at this. This is the monthly chart, and we're actually trading close to $85, $88, and also touching lower Bollinger Band on this monthly chart. So there is not much downside. Yes, nobody can predict the market. We can possibly go a bit lower, but look at this. Then next support here on this monthly chart would be around $76. So not much downside, maybe another $10. And that is, of course, if the market pulls back even harder. But look at the upside, guys, 152. And once we get back into bull market, it's going to take some time. It's not gonna be some quick move overnight. But Google can do that, guys. This thing can also double. So if you're going long term, this is also a great deal here on Google stock. Going into short term, going into Tuesday, support level to watch on Google would be down here at 88, blue line 5 SMA. And if that holds, we're going to see a move back up to 90 to even 90 to 31, white line 20 SMA, all the way up to 94 to 95 to retest red line 50 SMA. Below 88, we could be coming back down to 85, and that is going to be a strong support here on Google stock. So watch those levels going into next week, Tuesday, here on 6 big tech stocks, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.